Hello everyone. Now I will introduce how to use a milling machine, one of my favorite mechanical engineering tools. This sophisticated tool is known for its precision and versatility in various applications. The CNC milling machines function by removing material from workpiece to create complex designs and prototypes. When operating a CNC milling machine, there are several important steps to follow to support accuracy and safety. The first, you need to load the necessary CAD file into the machine's computer systems. Next, securely clamp the workspace onto the milling pad using clamp or fixtures. Set the tool offsets accurately to ensure that the cutting tool is correctly installed. Then, initiate the machine and run a test program to verify its performance. Throughout each step, it's essential to adhere to safety rules, including wearing safety glasses and the appropriate hearing protections. Always double check the securing of the workspace and prepare to stop the machine if any issues arise. Operating a CNC milling machine requires precision and caution to achieve the design results and ensure the operator safety. Thank you.